Hello and welcome once again to Tony's Comfort Kitchen. Now today I'm doing another collaboration with Andrew from Andrew's Simple Cooking. We always do a British themed collaboration. So I don't know what he's doing, but I'm doing pork chops with apples in cider. So to make this dish we need an oven-proof pan, and I'm using my trusty cast iron pan. We're going to put a tablespoon of vegetable oil in the pan and heat it up until it's good enough to fry these bad boys. I have two big, fat, thick pork chops here. And what I'm going to do, first of all, I'm going to fry the side of the chops, or the rind, if you want to call it that. So everything gets browned all over. We're just browning them in the pan first, and then we'll finally cook them to perfection in the oven. And when these are lightly browned on the edges, then we'll turn them back over and just fry them as normal. Like I said, we're not trying to cook these all the way through, we're just trying to brown all the sides. I'm going to add a pinch of salt to each and some freshly cracked black pepper. I'm going to add these to both sides. And then after a few minutes, when they're nicely browned, then just simply turn them over. When they're nicely browned and over, I will take them out and put them to one side. And in the same pan, I'm going to put one onion, roughly chopped. Move it around the pan, let it soak up all those lovely juices. And then I'm going to add 2 apples that have been cored and cut up into segments. Now I'm using Royal Gala, you can use whatever apples you have. We'll cook those in for a couple of minutes, and then I'm going to add some fresh sage leaves. Now I don't want to put too many, these are quite large. I don't want to put too many in because they can overpower the dish with quite strong flavour. Add a little pinch more salt. Give them a stir around and then make some space to return the pork chops to the pan. And then go with those bad boys along with their absolutely gorgeous juices. And then it's time to add the cider. This is 500 millilitres of cider. I have to admit that it was supposed to be dry cider, but I bought sweet cider by mistake. But to be honest, it tasted fantastic, as you will see later. Now then, it goes into an oven at 200 degrees centigrade, I think around about 400 Fahrenheit, for half an hour. And after 30 minutes, this dish is ready to eat. Now, like I said, I added sweet cider instead of dry cider by mistake to the dish, but to be honest, the sweet cider works very, very well with it. As you can imagine, it works well with the apples. Anyway, enough talking, let's do some tasting. Pork chops cooked through perfectly. And the jury's verdict is unanimous. It is flippin' magic. I'd like to thank you all for watching this video, and I'd like to thank Andrew from Andrew's Simple Cooking for this collaboration. If you do like this video, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell. You will be notified of any videos that I upload in future. So take care, peace, love, and I'll see you soon.